Here are 3 reasons why your photos are coming out blurry. First reason, camera shake. Camera shake usually happens when you're shooting handheld on a low shutter speed. Quickest way to fix camera shake is to raise your shutter speed or put your camera on a tripod. Autofocus. Autofocus could be the reason why your photos are blurry too. If you're shooting in autofocus, make sure you're shooting in the right settings. For example, if your subject is moving, make sure you're on continuous autofocus. And if you're shooting in manual, take your time to dial in the subject. Make sure your subject is in focus and it's not moving, because if your subject is moving and you're shooting in manual, you'll constantly have to chase that focus. Third reason why your photos could be blurry is a dirty lens or dirty sensor. I'll be dropping a new video on how to clean your sensor and how to clean your lens. Thank you guys for watching. This is Ruben Kinui's photography class.